Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I will discuss a very common problem with you. People are asking me to make a video on this topic from a long time now. The problem is social anxiety, what this problem is and how to get out of this problem. And I have also suffered from this as well. There was a time when I used to feel anxious even around my closest friends. I used to think that everybody is judging me no matter who they are. So in today's video we will talk about this in detail. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe this channel. And if you want to talk to me about anything, then you can message me on Instagram or you can also email me. My Insta ID and my email ID are in the description below. One last thing, if you have some extra money, then you can join this channel and become a member to support me. Now let's talk about today's topic. To begin with, let's discuss what is social anxiety, what this problem is. So it is a situation when you feel nervous and anxious when it comes to doing those things that will make you exposed to other people. For example, going to a party or giving a public speech or giving an interview or maybe just talking to a stranger asking him for something, especially if that stranger is a girl. So, we all feel anxious, nervous and scared at some point in our lives. But if it becomes a very regular thing, if it becomes an everyday part of your life, then definitely you need to do something about it, because this fear, this anxiety will not let you enjoy anything in life. Now let's discuss some of the main causes behind social anxiety. So there is no complete list of causes that causes social anxiety, but the most common reason is the fear of being judged. You feel that the whole world will laugh at you, they will make fun of you behind your back, and you will look like a fool to everyone. This is the main reason behind being scared. Other reasons could be maybe you are poor, or maybe you are not good in something, or maybe you just don't know what to do in this situation. For example, you don't know what to speak in the interview, or you don't know what to say to the girl on a date, or maybe you just don't know how to ask a stranger for something. So these things can cause social anxiety. Now let's discuss about the main thing, how to get out of this problem, how to break the chains of anxiety and fear. Now some people take medicines for it and some people depend upon alcohol, but these things will enhance your problem in the long run. What I did to cure this problem and what you should do is take one small step at a time. You are nervous and scared. Your goal is to become confident and bold. So take one small step in that direction every single day. Now let me tell you what are the steps that you can take. So step number 1, talk with one person every day apart from your family members. Talk with your friend or a stranger, ask him anything, ask him about what time it is or what you are doing today, anything. Just talk to one person every day apart from your family members. Second thing that you can do is gain knowledge about diverse subject. Gain knowledge about traveling, gain knowledge about politics, gain knowledge about different stuff, so that you don't become blank when somebody asks you about anything. You can tell them something about it at least. Third thing that you can do is very effective, meditation. If you don't know how to meditate, then I have given the link of a video in the description below. You can watch that video and start practicing meditation from today. It will definitely improve your problem. Fourth point is improve your communication skills. Of course, if you have good communication skills, you will be able to deal with other people in a better way. Fifth point is very difficult, very scary, but it will give you instant results. Take a bath with icy cold water. It is very difficult, but it will give you result in just one day. So try it. Other thing that you can do is try to stay in the present moment as much as you can. The more you stay in the present moment, the more your anxiety will reduce. Next point is whenever you feel super anxious, whenever you become so scared, then take out 5-10 minutes and practice taking long deep breaths. Just sit on a chair or you can sit on the bed anywhere and take long deep breaths for 5 to 10 minutes. Next thing that you can do is you can pray to God or you can also read the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It is a very good book. Read that book and I have given the link of that book in the description below. You can buy that book from there. The next thing that you should do is, and this thing you should definitely do, tell people the truth about yourself. Don't lie. If you are not good in something, tell other people about it. Tell them I don't know how to dance. Tell them I don't know how to speak in English. Tell them I don't know how to do this, how to do that. The wrong people will leave you. The right people will stay with you. and this is how the world works. Okay, so don't lie about yourself, tell the truth to everyone. It will make you much more peaceful. Last thing that you can do is exercise. Exercise will improve your mood instantly. So I guess these steps are enough to make you bold and confident. Just do some of these things every single day, and over the period of time you will improve a lot. So this is all. I hope this video will help you. Now if you still have any question or doubt in your mind, you can always ask me in the comment section below, or if you want to talk to me about any other thing, then message me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and like I said, if you have some extra money, you can join this channel and become a member to support me. This is all, and thank you so much for listening to me.